There's a lot of misinformation about authorized user trade lines, so let's break down the biggest myths versus facts so you can make the right decision. Authorized user trade lines are when you're added to an existing credit card account, which may reflect that account's history, like age, limit, and payment history on your credit profile, depending on the lender. Myth number 1. Trade lines instantly boost your credit score. Trade lines will instantly increase your score. Trade lines do not guarantee score increases. They may help strengthen your overall credit profile by adding positive history and higher limits, but results depend on your full profile, especially any negative accounts or high utilization. Myth number 2. Trade lines fix bad credit. They can fix collections, charge-offs, or repossessions. Trade lines do not remove negative items. If your credit report has significant derogatory marks, those typically need to be addressed first before trade lines are considered. Myth number 3. All trade lines report the same. Every trade line reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Reporting varies by lender. Some accounts report to all 3 bureaus, while others may report to 1 or 2. It's important to understand reporting behavior and timing before selecting a trade line. Myth number 4. More trade lines always means better results. The more trade lines you add, the better your outcome. It's not about quantity, it's about strategy. The right combination of account age, limit, and profile fit matters more than simply adding multiple trade lines. At Priority Trade Lines, we focus on transparency and education so you can understand how trade lines work and whether they're the right fit for your situation. To learn more or explore your options, visit our website today.